Hey, how's it going? We're going to be working on more Kudomon today. I really want to work on getting my landscaping to try and get it to work, so let's see if we can get that. I'm going to ask ChatGPT first. What landscape size works in mobile for Unreal Engine? I need you to look it up for me in the Unreal Engine documentation. Okay, and while that's happening, let's go ahead and share to Twitch, make a Dragon Eagle, that we are now online. Been posting a bunch of other stuff all day, so I've been mad about what happened earlier today. But let's get our stuff going on. Alright, so we are trying to get landscaping to work in Unreal Mobile today. So Kudomon level design. Get it? Kudomon level design. Unreal Engine 5 for Android with AI continues today. Alright. Goodness. Alright, so let's open up the Unreal Engine. Oh. Or we'll just go to the actual place here. Oh damn, what's the name of the Kudomon that we're on, baby? Isn't it Kudomon 3? Here's Kudomon 3 copy. Alright, so we're gonna copy this one and paste it again, because before we start every day, we just like to get a new... Oh, is this the wrong one?
Oh dear.
Shit. Uh-oh. I might have copied the wrong one. Yeah, this is the wrong one. And that was 4 gigabytes that I just copied. Dang it. Kudomon 3 is a bad name. Aren't we on Kudomon 7 or something like that already?
It might have been 6.
6.
Going on the 7.
Okay. I think that you're on just really quiet, yeah. I was like, I hear my girlfriend whispering.
What?
Oh my god. Can you minimize? When did they stop minimizing? Goodness. Okay. Delete that one. Back to volume E. And then under Kenitra's face. And Kudomon 9 is what we're on, I guess. Copy. Paste. This is 25 gigabytes, so that's a fucking ton. I need to get rid of some of these back here. I was like paranoid though. I was like copying it every 5 seconds. Because I had lost it a couple times. They weren't wanting to battle. It took forever to make sure that the battling worked. I'm still not sure if I like how what's his name's power looks. I kind of liked it whenever it like streaked on the ground, right? But
Who's Scully's?
yeah,
Yeah.
did you like it better whenever it was just like a streak on the ground? Also, what's weird is sometimes it seems to turn. I really need to look up the. It's supposed to be location, rotation, and transform. I wonder if it's... But the rotation still seems to be doing whatever the fuck it wants to be doing. Maybe I should do it off the rotation of the other person, off a sprocket. Also, it's not exactly the best that we have him just shooting at sprocket instead of at some, like, a random direction. How is Sprocket's working, though? Because Sprocket has his doing just fine, right? Regular projectile.
Mm-hmm.
So I don't know why his was acting weird, but I was just like, fuck you for not... Oh yeah, he was throwing it back at the player still for some reason. Right? So, yeah, that's why I had to do that. But we could just set it up for being every single person that he's around.
Mm-hmm.
But that isn't really necessary till we have another player. But as soon as we have another player, we're gonna have to change his programming already, so that's kind of dumb. But I just wanted to make sure it could work and everything first, and it works fine for 2 players. Play Expedition 33 while we wait for Unreal Engine to load. 77%.
I guess having a gun as a knobby isn't as bad as I thought.
Yeah, guns are awesome.
This little knobby hunting. Be free, my friend. What you laughing at?
Just being silly.
You're silly.
Where's Jigsaw for ice people?
Oh god.
I'm surprised that wasn't part of the movies.
Oh no.
Like, they think that they wouldn't be in a Jigsaw trap. I wonder what theme would they match that with? Like, because normally, you know, his things are set up around whatever their gluttony is or whatever.
Yes, I don't want to think about it.
What? Why?
Because again, he would have came after me.
I had depression too.
And I did not.
It's not like you were a heroin addict, though. You never did heroin like the girl in the movie.
No, but I did cut.
Oh, yeah. I forgot she did that, though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. But she's better now.
Yeah, she's Jigsaw.
Right? She's like the main one, even. That's crazy, because that's how, like, Scream is also. What? You never seen Scream?
Yeah, but how is that the same?
What do you mean? In the first movie, it was 2 killers.
Yes. Oh, I see what you mean. I thought you
Yeah.
meant like this plot. I was like, huh?
No, just that one single thing is similar.
That's why
Nothing else.
That's why I gave you the look like. As far as I know, Shaggy, which you didn't hear that they were the first gay couple horror, right?
Huh. That's
Him-
interesting.
Him and I forgot who his other guy's name.
Portrait of
Admitted it.
Dorian Gray is older than that, but I don't know if you'd call Portrait of Dorian Gray a horror movie exactly.
Mm.
I don't know what you'd call that. It's more like a fantasy, I guess.
But then it just still makes my brain say, "Damn it, Shaggy, why you had to be gay?" You just crushed me, you asshole. Why? Why?
I don't think he's actually gay.
No.
He said that at Comic-Con that he's not very well liked in Hollywood for some reason.
I love Shaggy.
Right? Yeah, we all like you. Everyone in real life likes you.
It was my high awakening. Don't you fucking do it. You bitch.
Salt Lake City Punk is the real answer. Okay. So, anyways, we need to figure out here, what is the landscaping? Okay, here are some supported, respected landscape. Okay, here's the thing that's super annoying. These numbers represent the landscape's overall resolution, number of vertices, which corresponds to how many meters your terrain covers. Excuse me. There isn't a mobile-only size in the official landscape documents. The same sizes apply, but you should be cautious with bigger landscapes on mobile because performance CPU calls is limited on phones. Larger landscapes will absolutely need optimization components like lower component counts, aggressive LODs, or streaming. No, it just straight wouldn't compile, is what I'm saying. Okay, so... Alright, so here's the thing. With Event World VR, I made a landscaping... I had a problem with that, I remember.
Oh, look, maybe a rainbow. It's over here real quick.
Huh?
Rainbow.
Oh, wow. That's awesome. I've never seen like a open world rainbow before.
I haven't either.
Whoa, dude. Does that happen when it rains even?
I guess so, because it just
That's nuts, dude. They have rainbow physics in the fucking Avatar game?
Yeah, I didn't even know that, honestly.
Holy balls.
It just shows how
It
much
is such... There's no reason why it should be such an underground game, actually. Like, they really didn't remember that they should have advertised this game very hard.
Mm-hmm.
They didn't even talk about it, basically. They're just like, okay, here's the Avatar game. Like, oh.
No, they talked about them when they were working on it and when it's supposed to be released and if it was going to be released.
Right.
So, and then it being released without third person, but I'm loving first person. I can't go third person, I'm sorry. I can't. Once I get used to one thing, I can't do the other. And, well, sometimes.
It happened when I compiled. So today we are going to run some tests on which landscape size actually works. What it okay. Ultra safe, yeah. What if I go to YouTube? I wonder if there might be somebody that actually recommends it, because they keep saying that it should work, but it doesn't. Clearly, right? We tried it.
Mm-hmm.
Landscape, Unreal Engine 5 mobile. This guy has 2 minutes, he says. 4 mobile games. Okay, let's see.
Hey guys, Nick here from F150LAs.com. Today we've got our 2018 Ford F-150 here.
Shut the fuck up.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to see how we can
Thanks.
optimize our landscape for mobile devices. This technique also can be used for desktop or console games. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, we will run the command stat unit, which will provide data about our landscape's performance.
Okay, let's watch what he does first.
Here we need to focus on 2 things: the draw calls and the primitive count. To optimize the landscape, we must keep both as low as possible. For draw calls, there isn't much we can optimize. The only thing we can do is reduce the number of components as much as possible when creating the landscape. We can reduce the primitive count by adjusting some settings related to the landscape LOD system. To do this, go to the landscape visualizer and select LOD to visualize the LODs of the landscape.
Level of detail.
Here, the different colors represent various LOD levels. The smaller the LOD level, the higher the primitive count for the component. To adjust this distribution, go to the Details panel of the landscape and search for LOD. Here you will find the LOD distribution section, where you can adjust the LOD levels. Try to set a higher LOD for distant components and a lower LOD only for the components the character interacts with. You can test different settings for your landscape and choose the one that works best for it. And here's the comparison between the primitive count before and after the changes. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please tap the thumbs up icon.
That was not very helpful. I wanted a full tutorial there. Okay, so 63. Let's create a landscape though. So file, we're going to open level, and normally I just like to make another copy. I could probably make a copy of the arena though, right? So I wouldn't have to delete everything over and over.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's under first person, maps, and then this one's called first person map 3 because everything else is glitching. So we're gonna duplicate first person map 4. We call it landscape level so far. And we're gonna open up this one. What is it saying all this for? First person map 3. Whatever, I guess save selected. Wait, what? Oh, landscape level. Okay. Open up. Okay. Good. See, with this thing, I don't understand what happened. It's like in the ground also. It's freaking annoying. Okay. So this is our other thing here. So let's get rid of this first of all. Delete. And we're gonna click on this one. We're gonna go to File. Oh, we're just gonna. Sorry. Which one is it? Click on one of these things to open up the tools. I saw the landscape now and I already forgot. It's under selection. Here we go. Landscape. Okay, and then this is what it's talking about here with the numbers. 505 and 63 quads. That's what I did last time. Maybe I asked ChatGPT last time. What should my landscape be for Unreal Engine 5 mobile if it's a small landscape? Let's try small first. Okay, aim for specific resolutions. I'm gonna ask. There used to be something with landscape mode, like it had to be in base 10 size or something. It still kinda is. Okay. You're not imagining it. There was and still kinda is a magic numbers rule with landscape. It just wasn't base 10. It was a power of 2 math wearing a trench coat. Let me defog it. Okay. The real rule that one bites people. Landscape sizes must be derived from powers of 2 minus 1 minus 1 or minus 2 because of how Unreal Engine builds LOD's components and minimaps. Why that's a good size looks weird instead of clean. That's why good sizes look weird instead of clean. Okay, the canonical formula is quads per section times sections per component times components plus 1. Jesus Christ, I don't like that. Hey, how about shut up? What do you mean? Okay. Yeah, power of 2. So 256 means that it has to be a 253. I remember this being a safe number, the 253 one. Landscape size. Number of components. Fuck you. Where's this? Where is that even at? Region size. World partition. Region size. Partition. Okay. So. Okay, so I need you to make a picture like this, ChatGPT, and tell me what to fill in for all these. These for the landscape. That's cool. You can do more than one image at a time now? Oh, where's my microphone? Is way over there, baby. They probably can't fucking hear us at all.
Well.
Like, why is he talking like that? Jesus.
You're being dark and mysterious, I guess.
Right. Well, shit, now I don't know what my microphone is gonna look like when it's all glowing like that. What happened? What?
I just opened the computer. It shows your...
Hmm?
It says you're live.
Okay. Oh, yeah, here we go. Oh shit, it's not showing me on there now, too. Fucking what? Is it just crashing right now? I can still see the video, I just can't see my camera. Refresh. Try a different filter. No. Okay, we might have to refresh the stream, I guess. Alright, we'll be right back.